How to change your password on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your password on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click this one, account management, and then click change password. And then now all you need to do is just to confirm, click send code, and then you can change your email, your password, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.